All right there. Hi guys. My name is Wilfred. Let me just close my door for a sec. My name is Wilfred. I'm a senior math tutor, and today I'll be covering 12 questions from OneClass. They'll be pretty much covering some mathematics and some algebra. A little bit backstory upon myself. I graduated from master with a major in biochemistry and a minor in mathematics. And lastly, if you have any other problems with your homework or with any mathematics, please send them through OneClass and we'll try to get them as soon as possible. So let's begin. Okay, so the first question reads, what is the formula for the surface area of a cylinder? So a cylinder, as a junior tutor explains, is a three-dimensional figure with two parallel circular bases. Okay, so the criteria for a cylinder is that, first of all, these circles have to be the same size, so they have to have the same radius. You can't have a cylinder with different circles with different radiuses. And the second part is that they're parallel to each other, and that there is a surface that is encapsulating this area between the two circular bases. So the surface area of a cylinder, if we can think about it, is going to be the area of these two parallel circles, and then the area of this lateral surface that is wrapped around between these two parallel circles. Okay. So if we were to look at it and to split it up, this is what it would look like. So let me try to draw a cylinder for you guys first. So, all right, there's my. Oh, okay. This is going to be really hard. Let me try drawing it. Some sticks first. All right, so this is my cylinder. Sorry for the really ugly drawing here. Okay, so this is my cylinder here. So we can break it up into three different components, okay? So first of all, we're going to have two circles of the same size. So that means that they have the same radius, okay? Secondly, we're going to have the lateral surface, right? So if we unwrap the lateral surface that covers the area or the space between these two parallel circles, we're going to have an actual rectangle, okay? So this is what we're going to have. So we need to calculate the areas of each of these and add them all together, okay? So let's write this down first. So the surface area, I'm going to write SA for short, of a cylinder is going to be the addition of these two circles. So area to area of the circle plus the area of the rectangle, okay? So for the circles, it's kind of easy, right? We know what the area of a circle is pi r squared. So it's going to be 2 pi r squared. All right, so we know what the area of a rectangle is, right? The area of a rectangle is going to be its length times its width. Okay, but we want to be a little bit more specific here, right? How does the length and width relate to the radius of the circles? Okay, so first of all, the width doesn't really relate. The width is the height of the cylinder itself. So the width of this lateral area is going to be the height. So let's write that down here. So h for this. And the length, so we unwrapped it around. But if we wrap it back around, we notice that the length of this rectangle or this lateral area covers the circumference of the circles. Okay, so if we were to unravel it, then we would understand that the length of our rectangle here is actually just the circumference. Okay, which is 2 pi r. All right, or pi times the diameter. Okay, so if we were to add this all together, what would we get? So we have the area of two circles, which is 2 pi r squared, times the area of a rectangle, which is 2 pi r. Okay, and if we were to factor out 2 pi r, we would get pi r, or just r, plus 1. Oh, I forgot the h. So this should be h. Okay, so this is the surface area of a circle, which is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h, or 2 pi r times r plus h. Okay, so this is the rationale of thinking about this, and you can apply this rationale to other shapes like square pyramids or rectangular prisms. You can just apply this this rationale, break it down into simpler shapes, and calculate the areas for each of those shapes. So this solution is correct. Good work. Cool. All right, let's move along to question number